Welcome to the Inca portal. After checkout, you will be redirected to the portal to manage your account. Your user details will already be populated from the information you entered in the shopping cart. Simply choose a password to proceed. In this next step, we need to connect to your best practice instance to finalize the setup. You will need access to your best practice system to complete this setup. If you don't have access, you can continue and finish later by clicking skip for now. To complete the setup, follow the instructions provided. In best practice, turn on third-party integration. Be sure to select the option, Precedence Healthcare, via Halo Connect. The final step is to enter your best practice site ID, which is found under Help, then select About. Enter your site ID, then click Next. Welcome to the Inca portal. To get started in our onboarding portal, let's do 3 things. First, upload your clinic logo. This will ensure all of the documents produced will be customized with your clinic details. Second, assign your general practitioners to licenses. From the search field, type the GP name that will be using the application. Lastly, download the Evo app. Don't forget to copy your license key into the app. Thank you.